Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And friends, today I will show you how you can use yolo11 parking space detection ultralytics solution in real world. Means I have already created a video where we detect a parking space, means a free space and occupied space, but on that video we use pre-recorded video. But today I will show you how you can use the solution, the ultralytics parking lot space and occupied space detection method you can use for real time. Means I have here one of YouTube live stream where we can see the parking lot. So we'll use that, we will basically use that link, we will use that CCTV YouTube live link, and then we will create basically ultralytics solution for counting occupied space and free space. Simple. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, for that I have created a new repository, live parking lot CCTV yolo11. I will mention the link. You need to simply copy paste the link inside web browser. Then go to the code and click on download zip. It will download our zip format repository. Done. Now let's just open file manager, go to the downloads, live CCTV parking yolo11. Then we will extract all, click on extract. It will extract our folder. So this is what our folder, live parking CCTV yolo11 main, again same folder. Now we will use a pre-trained object detection model. If you want to create your own custom object detection model, you can create your own custom object detection model. But this is just a demo that the method of ultralytics solution you can use for real parking solutions. Simple. So first, if you don't know how to use all these things, I have already created one video. Simple. So first, of course, we need image, because with the help of that image we will use a Tkinter software, and then we will mention the points for a polyline, and then we are going to save all the points in JSON file, and then we will load our main.py where we have the area, means where we have a region of interest area for each parking spot, and then if there is a detected object center point inside the area with the help of point polygon test method, we can simply say that the area is already booked or area is already occupied. Simple. This is the method which I have explained details in the video. Simple. So let's just start img.py, and here friends you need a one package. So I will show you. So just open tools, go to the manage packages, and first basically open cv-python, which is our main package, and just select the first one package. It will install open cv-python. Done. Then for yolo11 we need ultralytics package. Hit enter. First package, click on install button. Done. It will install ultralytics. So now because of we will use a YouTube live stream, so we need with gear package. So with gear, hit enter. First package, click on install button. Done. It will install with gear. Then we need yt-dlp. Hit enter. First package, click on install button. Done. It will install yt-dlp. So open cv-python, ultralytics, then with gear. This is the package with gear, and then yt-dlp. Done. So I have already mentioned the full code. So img.py is basically capture the image, the basically a still image from the live stream. So here this is the link for that particular live stream which we will use. This is the YouTube video link, YouTube live stream link. Okay. So let's just run the code, and then we have our image inside our repository. So it's friends, here as you can see, this is basically the old folder. So I need to mention here a new folder. Simple. So what I will do here, I will go here. This is what our repository, and here I need to simply click on, and then you will get the full path. So I will mention the path. So copy it, open the img.py, and then from here, from this main, go back, just remove it, and stop it, and then press Ctrl+V. This is the full path of our new folder. Simple. So now it will save the img.jpg inside our live parking lot CCTV YOLO main folder, which is our main repository. Now let's just save the code. If I run the code, it will capture the first frame from our live stream. Done. Now if you open the repository, as you can see, we have here I am 0. This is what our image, and this is basically the live stream. As you can see, this is the parking lot, parking, all the cars are parking, but we will not go for at the end because the camera angle is not that much straight. As you can see, it's cross, so it will not detect perfectly for the end. So what we will do, because we only want to check the solution is really working for live scenarios, so we will only go with these 4 cars, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's just say 5. Simple. So we will only go for here this car, this car, this car, this car, this car, and this car. Then after, it will not work perfect because the camera angle is not straight, it is too far. Simple. So we only want to check if the ultralytics solution is work in real CCTV cameras. So let's just, this is what basically our image. So we capture our image. Now we will open our se.py code. So this se.py code, which basically start the tkinter software. So let's just run the tkinter, means let's just run the se.py, and it will open our tkinter app, where we can select the points, for drawing polyline. So this is what our application. Upload image, and then select the image which we captured inside our repository. Click on open, and as you can see, this is what our image. Simple. Now we are ready, and as I mentioned, we will not go at the end, we will go for here. Let's just say here. So 1 2, click on the left button of the mouse, and it will draw the points, and when the 4 points completed, it will automatically complete the polyline. I have explained detail in the video. You can watch the video. I have mentioned the video inside yolo11 playlist. Simple. So same way, 1 2 3 4, and then it will automatically complete the polyline. You have to simply click on the left button, mouse left button. 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Done. Now let's just save it, and bounding boxes save to bounding boxes.json file, means we save the points inside JSON. So if you just open the repository, this is what our JSON file. Inside that we have all the points. Now we have done. Now simply open main.py, and here the same link is there. This is what our live stream. Now friends, if you start the code, you will see we have basically the occupied space count, and we have free space count. Simple. It is really easy. Now it will first download yolo11 n.pt model. As I mentioned, for as you can see friends, this is what our result. As I mentioned, if you want to go more perfect, you can create your own custom object detection model. So this is the live stream friends. This is not pre-recorded video. This is the live stream. I have mentioned here the link. This is the link. You can cross check. Simple. So this is completely live stream. So here we have 1 space and 1 2 3 4 5 occupancy, means the solution is perfect working. So I hope you learned something from this video, and you can also cross check with this live stream. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.